Sometimes when we are simplifying radicals, we may end up with a radical, for example, like 1 divided by square root of 3. So in this case, this rational term here, right, is not in its simplest form because we do have this square root sign at the bottom. So we would need to rationalize this. How do we do that? We would multiply this here by square root of 3 over the square root of 3. The reason why we're doing this because square root of 3 over square root of 3 is actually 1. So we're not changing the value of 1 over root 3. Now, if we multiply that, what will we have? 1 times the square root of 3 over square root of 3 times the square root of 3. So what would that give you? The square root of 3 divided by the square root of 3 times 3, right? 3 times 3, which is equal to the square root of 3 over the square root of 9, which will work out to the square root of 3 over 3. So this here is now the rationalized form of 1 over the square root of 3. Let's try another one. In the case if we have, say we have square root of 3 over square root of 5, you would actually do the same thing. Now, because the square root of 5 down here, and you know if you multiply the bottom there by the square root of 5, we will get rid of this square root down here. So this now becomes the square root of 15, because we have 3 times 5 is 15, over the square root of 25. Now, what is this going to be? This is going to be the square root of 15 over 5, and that is now rationalized. Let's try one more. If we have 1 over 2 root x, of course, you'll multiply this by root x over root x, right? Because we know root x by root x is going to be x. So we now have square root of x over 2x, right? And this is now going to be in the rationalized form. I hope you understand this. I can follow up another video with some more explanations.